Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching weekly review of financial markets on Insta TV. The US stock market ended Friday's trades lower after a string of weak economic reports. It also finished the week with moderate losses. The Nasdaq Composite ended the session down by 0.6% at 5,032 and posted a 0.4% loss over the week. The tech-heavy index gained 2.6% over the month, however. The benchmark Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.6%, falling to the mark of 18,010.68 and ended the week 1.2% lower. The S&P 500 dropped by 0.6% to the level of 2,107.39 on Friday and shed by 0.9% over the week. All 10 sectors of the index closed in the red. Dow Jones Industrial Average and Standard & Poor's 500 gained about 1% in May. In early trades, investors assessed the second estimate of the U.S. first quarter gross domestic product, which showed the economy shrank at a 0.7% annual pace. Other statistics was mixed. Thus, the Chicago PMI plunged in May to a reading of 46.2 from 52.3 in April. Meanwhile, the Michigan University Consumer Sentiment Index rose to 90.7 from 88.6, topping expectations. Outside of the US, the situation was rather negative. The European floors were mantled by bearish trends. The Asian trading results were mixed. Moreover, investors' sentiments were depressed by concerns over Greece. Humana Incorporated shares jumped by 20% to a historical high of $214.65 after news reports that the health insurer is considering selling the company, a move that could trigger a widely anticipated wave of consolidation in the industry. It was the best gainer among the S&P 500 components. Humana gets the bulk of its revenue from patients using Medicare, the federal health insurance regime for older Americans. Like those of other health insurers, Humana's shares have done well lately. They had risen by 42% over the past year. At the same time, Google shares were under pressure. The company's shares fell by 1.4%, even as the company unveiled Android Pay, a new mobile payment service that is expected to compete directly with Apple Pay. Much like Apple Pay, which was launched in 2014, Android Pay will allow people with phones running the Android operating system to upload credit, debit and prepaid card information into a digital wallet. And this was the weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and goodbye.